Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use factor tree to find the lowest common multiple of two numbers. So let's go straight into it. To find the lowest common multiple of 36 and 24. So let's draw a factor tree first. So we have 24. So 24 is 2 times 12. Or 6 times 4 if you like. So 2 is a prime. 12 is 3 times 4. And this 3 is a prime. And 4 is 2 times 2. So there you go. So 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And then we times this by 3. So now for 36, we have 6 times 6. Or 2 times 18 if you like. And 6 is 2 times 3. And these 2's are prime. And this 6 is 2 times 3 as well. So there you go. So 36 is equal to, we have another 2 there. And we have 3, 3. Now to work out the lowest common multiple, so what we need to do, we need to write down all the prime factor of 24 and the prime factor of 36. But when the prime factors are common, so we just need to write once. You will know what I mean when I write this down. So we have a 2 here, so we only need to write once, okay? So let me move this up. So the lowest common multiple is equal to 2. And we have these 2 here. So we only need to write once, okay? So times 2. And these 2 here, we need to write that down. So times 2. And we have these 3, and with these 3, we only need to write once, okay? So we times 3. And these 3, we need to write down as well. So we times 3. There you go. This is the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36. Now we just need to multiply them together. So we have 2 times 2, give me 4. 4 times 2 is give me 8. And then we have 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 times 8 is 72. This is it. 72 is the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36. Second one. Of course, if you like, you can pause the video and try it yourself anytime you like, okay? So let me draw a factor tree for 45 first. So 45 is equal to 5 times 9. And 5 is a prime. And 9 is 3 times 3. And this is prime. So 45 is equal to 3 times 3 times 5. Now let's do 60. So let me write here 60 is equal to 10 times 6. And 10 is 5 times 2 or 2 times 5. And 6 is 2 times 3. So now we just write it out. So 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. To find the prime number of 45 and 60, so we need to write out all the prime factor of 45 and all the prime factor of 36. But when the prime factor are common, we only need to write once, okay? So let's go. So we don't have 2. We don't have 2 on 45. So we need to write these 2 out. So therefore, the lowest common multiple is equal to 2 times 2. And these 3 here, and we have these 3 as well, we only need to write once. So that means times by 3. And these 3, we need to write it out. And we have this 5 here, on here, so we only need to write once, okay? Please keep that in mind. So times by 5. This is it, so we just time them together now. So we have, this give me 9, this give me 4, and 4 times 5 is 20, and 2 times 9 is 18. So therefore, 180. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 45 and 60 is 180. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. How do you go? Let's go through it together, okay? So first one. So 96 is divisible by 3 because 9 plus 6 is 15. So therefore it's divisible by 3. So therefore it's 3 go to 9 is 3 times and 3 go to 6 is 2. So this 3 is a prime and 32 is 4 times 8. So 4 times 8. And then 4 is 2 times 2. And this 8 is 2 times 4. And these are prime. And 4 is 2 times 2. So 2 times 2. There you go. So 96 is equal to 1, 2. And 1, 2, 3. And times this 3. And then we do for 72. 72 is 9 times 8 or 8 times 9. So this give me 3 times 3 and these are prime and 8 is 2 times 4. So that 2 is a prime. 4 is 2 times 2. There you go. Let me move this up. So therefore, 72 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And then we times this 3. Now we can write down the lowest common multiple. Now we just need to write down all the prime factor of 96 and all the prime factor of 72. When the prime factor are commons, we just need to write once, okay? So we have one's common, this common, these commons. So we just need to write 3 of them, okay? So 2 times 2 times 2. Then these 2 we don't have in 72. So we need to write this down. And this 3 is common. So we just need to write once. So times by 3. And this 3 we need to write this down. There you go. So we just multiply them together. So that will give me, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Times 2 is 32. So we just go 32 times 9. Because 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 times 2 is 18. Carry 1. 9 times 3 is 27. So 28. So that is 288. There you go. So 288 is the lowest common multiple of 96 and 72. So we can use calculator to check it out. So all we need to do is it goes alpha and with the divide button, so that will bring up the lowest common multiple. And what I do, I type 96 and then press shift comma on the close bracket and I just type 72 and I close bracket, press equal. There you go. This will give me the lowest common multiple. Last one. So let's draw factor tree for these two numbers first. So 105, because 105 is divisible by 5, so we just divide by 5 first. So 5 go to 10 is 2 times, and 5 go to 5 is 1. So this is a prime and become 21. So 21 is 3 times 7. Prime, and this is prime. So 105 is equal to 3 times 5 times 7. Then let's work out 120. 120 is 12 times 10, or 10 times 12. Then 10 is 2 times 5. And this is prime, this is prime. And 12 is 3 times 4. So I just write 3 times 4. This 3 is a prime, and 4 is 2 times 2. There you go. So let me write this down. 120 is equal to, so 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 2 times 2. And we have 3 and 5. So times by 3, times by 5. So now, so therefore, the lowest common multiple. Now we just need to write out all the prime factor of both numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we just write this down. 2 times 2 times 2. And we have these both 3 on both number. We need to write once only. So we times this by 3. And this 5 here. And we just need to write once. So times by 5. And this 7, we times 7. So now we just times them together. So we just use these 2 and this 5. Give me 10. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And 12 times 7. So 12 times 7 is 84. Otherwise, you just go 2 times 7 is 14. Carry 1. And 7 times 1 is 7. 8. So 84 times 10. So 84 times 10 is 840. So therefore, the lowest common multiple of 105 and 120 is 840. Of course, let's check it out by using calculator. So I just go alpha and then press the divide button. Will bring the lowest common multiple functions. So I just type 105 and shift, close bracket. That will give me the comma. And I just type 120. And close the bracket and press equal. There you go, 840. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.